Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch I See You with Baobab episode 2. So sobrang tagal na since nung episode 1 and akala ko hindi na siya masusundan. Pero ngayon, eto na. Oh my gosh, nasa screen ko guys, si Gwen at si Mika agad. Pero eto na, I'm super excited. Let's go for this episode 2 ng Baobab. Let's start.
Oh.
Oh.
Ba yan?
Oh! Oh my god! Wait lang, kaka-start pa lang guys. I miss them so much. Like, complete OT8 kasi nung Robinsons event nila, wala si Aya, which is understandable naman kasi. So, ayan, wala lang. Sobrang namimiss ko lang sila as OT8, as complete. Pero, syempre, need ni Aya ng pahinga. And syempre, alam naman natin na importante yung health talaga nilang girls. So, naintindihan natin. Pero, di ba nakakamiss talaga makita silang complete. Mikaya and Jolette ko magkatabi. Ay, hindi pala magkatabi yung Mikaya.
Hi, we are Beanie, and this is I See You with Baobab.
Oh, Josie, Macolette. Oh, Jush. Ay, hindi pala.
you.
Looking at
Mati.
I see.
Let's see each other clearly with fresh eyes and an open mind. Each member gets a turn to pick a card. Let's celebrate who we are as
Ang ganda nila. Oh my gosh. With the Baobab eyeglass. Aya, see? Oh my God, Mika Loy. Ang babi ni Mika.
Okay, I go first, okay.
Okay, go Mix.
Who is the person that has supported you leading up to or throughout your Beanie journey?
Your mom.
Yes, you're correct. Yeah, I would say my whole family. Parang
Yes.
madaming times, di ba, na
Bagay
iiyak
kay Mix
tayo
talaga.
and all.
Actually,
Tapos
sa kanila lahat
binibideo
na
call
may
na lang
eyeglass.
natin yung
Ay, oo, lagi
family
ka
members
video.
natin para they made me realize that I should stay instead of leaving. Okay, next. Gwenny.
What Beanie song best describes your life right now? Like, right now at this very moment. Kapit lang. Secret.
Aww. That's a good song.
Me?
Ganda.
Feeling ko karera. Kasi feeling ko kailangan natin i-remind sarili natin na life is not a race.
Okay, Ate
It's a
Ayan.
good one.
What advice or message do you think your 80-year-old future self would give you today?
Enjoy your life. Never be scared.
Live your life.
To the
To
fullest.
the fullest.
Don't let yourself be controlled.
Oh. That's so true.
Keep doing
By
what
who?
you're doing and don't be pressured.
What has stayed constant for you that keeps you grounded? For me, the people I surround myself with. My family, Beanie, the Beanie team.
Beanie Joanna.
Binid.
Yes.
Look at a person beside you.
Eh!
A memory that you hold on to deep
Oh.
them.
To the right, to the left.
Again mo na silang mga makulit.
Oh, yan. To the left, to the left.
Nung nag-Cubao Expo tayo.
Makulit.
After baby concert. Ako lahat ng chismis na meron tayo. Ako kay
Eh.
Jo, nung
Spill the tea.
kasabay kita sa audition, parang sa lahat ng callback, ikaw lagi yung kasama.
Aww.
Ayun.
Kayong jacket.
Sama.
Okay, Bebe. Our puffer feet.
Sa lahat?
That's it? That shallow?
That's
With Ate Aya, you know, sa...
Nag-deep talks, alam ko na, nag-deep
Okay, this, do you remember sa,
Bro, kung ako titigan ni Aya ng ganon, I'm dead.
Okay, this, do you remember sa, Beanie house? We slept sa rooftop. Yes! We talked until the sun... Sun was the sun. Reason.
My favorite memory of you.
Alam mo
Aww, ganaya.
yung nag-bike.
First time namin mag-bike ni Gwen sa Makati, tapos sa highway. Kasi yung kahit na kinakabahan ako dun sa bike ko kasi matagal na hindi nag-bike. Wala akong choice. Like rockstar. Kasi si Ate Aya nandun siya sa gitna so wala akong choice kundi sundan siya. Kahit na yung pawis ko ang lamig-lamig na. Yung sa amin ni Mika siguro yung sa Canada.
Taray na ibang bansa. Yung memory.
Ako kay Ate Maloy, nung birthday ni Ate Maloy.
Siya yung organizer.
Hindi, oo, ako yung nag-organize. Kasi parang sabi ko, ano ba yung ang sad naman na ito? Ba't tayo wala tayong gagawin sa birthday? Tapos parang doon tayo na-open up lalo, lahat.
If you met your past self before Beanie, what advice
Eh,
would you give to
akalit.
her?
Just you do you.
Oh.
Kasi dadating talaga yung Beanie.
Sana
That's a good
kayanin
one.
mo.
Ang ganda ni Colette!
Stop dreaming. I-try mo lahat ng yung mga pinagbabawal sa'yo before, gawin mo na lahat.
yung pinagbabawal.
Oh my God!
Ako bahala sa'yo, niligtas kita kay Jonah Robles.
John. Tita
Don't
John.
be shy. But I'm still shy. Pero lessen your shyness. You will be shy, but you will be, singer, dancer, rapper.
Yay!
Huwag ka masyadong seryoso. Stay open-minded.
She's open like that.
First round natin, anong na-feel nyo?
Medyo intense na yung first round for the
Kaya
first
nga
round.
So sa round 2,
Iyakan.
iyakan.
No!
Iyakan na ba?
Oh my God! The visuals!
Okay, round 2.
First question is, in what way has your friendship with Beanie been a safe space for you? Feeling ko, sa tagal na namin magkakasama, we already showed our most vulnerable self na hindi na namin kailangan mag-pretend. Throughout the years, we grew together and parang minahal na namin yung flaws namin and yun yung nag-keep sa amin para maging stronger throughout the years.
And ayun talaga yung maganda sa Beanie, no? Like yung closeness nila.
And I hope magpatuloy pa na ganito na chill lang, without judgment, mature, and may respect sa kanya-kanyang buhay.
Okay, what is something that you would like Beanie to be remembered for?
Iconic.
Feeling ko pag
Char.
gusto ko na maalala yung Beanie sa mga, pag lumaki na yung mga generation yun. Yung Beanie sila yung matatapang na mga babae. True
That's a good
talaga
one.
sila. Alam mo yung hindi nawawala
Authentic.
yung character nila, kung ano sila dati.
Unapologetic selves as we are right now.
What's your biggest challenge right now and how can your group be there for you? Oh my God.
Ito pa sa kanya pala po tayo yung
Siyempre, hindi naman madali yung buhay natin ngayon. Aminin natin. Pero, ako, honestly, walang halong biro. Every time na may work kinabukasan, parang na-excite ako palagi. Hindi ako napapagod kapag kayo kasama ko, promise.
Aww.
Kasi parang, alam mo yun, parang magkakasama tayo, parang ang gaan-gaan palagi.
What is something that you've been learning about yourself as you're going through the journey with Beanie? Feeling ko kaya ko palang magsalita, kaya ko mag-voice out. Kasi before Beanie, parang
Only child,
oo,
parang
parang
walang
kung ano lang yung sabihin sa akin, yun lang yung susundin ko. Tanggap lang ako ng tanggap.
Di ba isipin na si Joanna yung leader kasi nga yun, bunso. Tapos, parang yung personality niya kasi, di ba? I mean, makulit siya, pero pag leader mood, alam mo yun, like, isang ganon, biglang ang seryoso na niya. Like, di ba, ang dami niyang responsibility na nakakaya niya lahat yun.
Kahit labag sa values ko. Pero ngayon, I learned to be decisive. I learned to speak up.
Parang feeling ko kasi sobrang ibang-iba yung kung sino ako sa before Beanie. Maliban sa introvert ako at introvert ngayon. Pero sobrang kaya ko palang maging ganito. Ka-jolly, kadaldal, kaingay, kakulit. May something changed, something shifted here, and feeling ko I found my truest form. This is my truest form.
Ako, same
Ang
din.
cute ni
Gusto ko
Shayna,
na
Tia, yung
gusto
magkatabi.
ko OA side. Kasi before Beanie, I'm very...
I miss your
I don't cry.
OA side, we miss your OA side, but take your time.
Emotional wreck here.
What is a fond moment or memory that reminds you of why you do what you do with Beanie? Feeling ko yung moment na to, yung talaga nag-remind sa akin kung ba't ako nandito like sa Beanie nung nag-shutdown yung AWES. Tapos akala namin sa liligwaking kami, tapos sinabi na we're gonna continue. Kasi nga, di ba, trainee pa lang kami nung wala pa kami naambag, pero pinaglaban kami ni Direk. So feeling ko at that moment,
Thank you so much, Direk!
Siguro ako na, okay, dahil ang daming naniwala, we're gonna do our best and we're gonna show them ba't kami worth na magstay.
And look at
Nanginginig
where
na.
you are now.
Ayan, nung
Coach
nag-
Ella, let's
nag-
go!
ng mga flyers about Beanie, tapos tinatapon nila. Tapos, wait till you see.
Nung nag-release kami ng Karera, nung sinabi na like nakakatulong yung song sa kanila and all of
Oo.
that,
Which
parang
is
it
true
makes
naman
us
talaga.
push more for songs that have meaning talaga.
How
Ganda.
has your friendship with Beanie shaped you or transformed you?
Shape you. Ano, kasi sa Bini po, maraming, iba-iba yung mga personality, iba-iba kami. For me, how I see it is parang naging practice ground, kumbaga. Like, kung paano tayo mag-treat sa isa't isa or paano makipaghalubilo kasi mas intense pa sa sa outside world.
So I think everyone was able to build like individual personalities na talaga. Na hindi na kayo
So,
hindi na tayo
ganda, oh my God.
communicate.
It
Yes.
started with you, actually. You started.
Yeah, you're the trendsetter.
You're just starting line.
How can your fellow Beanie members best show up for you to express their care and support at this time of your life? Ginagawa naman natin yung pag nagsasama-sama tayo. Compared before na pag may tampuhan, hindi nagsasalita.
Kita
or
nakasandal si Gwen
Ngayon
kay
naman,
Mix.
parang lahat na tayo mature enough to speak up. Parang na-feel ko naman na lahat naman tayo parang willing to listen.
Feeling ko from the word show up, yung laging kapag may isang ganap, example sa member, tapos may ganap, we try our best na isiksik siya sa
Yeah.
sked.
Yung showtime mo, yung biglaan.
Mm.
May training kami, di ba? Coach, bilisan na natin, coach. Mag-perform na si Jenna. Saka yung volleyball ni Mick.
May nakita ko clips na nahanap tayo ni Mix.
Ah,
Totoo ba yun?
I'm there.
Tapos sabi niya,
Feeling yung dako ay naman ang
yung tablo! Sabi niya,
Yeah, Mix, don't deny it.
Showing up matters for us.
Oh. Ano ba yan?
Oh my God!
What gesture of care or generosity have you appreciated from someone in this group? Take a look at them and share what it is. Me, kay Ate Maloy, I appreciate her words of affirmation.
Oh, true naman
Hindi
si
lang
Malay,
sa
grabe yung
pag-encourage
words niya.
parang ano,
Kahit sa mga
ano,
birthday
sa
greetings, sa mga caption niya
pag-affirm na,
and
hey,
everything.
I see you improve or yung mga ganong bagay na pag bino-voice out mo kasi na napapansin siya, parang na-validate yung
That's
growth
true
mo
naman.
as
Grabe
a
yung
person.
words ni Maloy talaga. Sobrang,
Naiyak ako na.
kahit hindi para sa yung caption niya or yung sinasabi niya, parang mararamdaman mo yung feelings niya doon sa caption.
Piece of advice you can give to people for a loving and enduring friendship.
be kind kasi hindi man mahirap.
Just be real to yourself and
May-
sa
ano, may
isa't
gusto ko
isa.
naman to.
Kasi yung mga
Ganda nilang
totoong
lahat.
tao din magsistay sila and they will accept you for who you are.
may you
True.
always give a very supportive energy and a very endearing one to your friends.
For me, be genuine, tas be open to learn new things. Yeah, give and take.
Ako, accept the constant na change kasi possible yung mangyari kung lalo na pag mahaba na yung friendship nyo.
Ako naman, don't forget to love yourself first before loving others. Kasi important to love yourself.
Be there for each other. That's it. Lastly, just keep on loving. Yun lang. Huwag kang matakot magbigay ng pagmamahal. Iba pa rin yung balik mo sa'yo. Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Hindi po kami sanay mag-ganto blooms kasi lagi kaming bardahan.
Yes.
Thank you. I
Oo
hope you
nga,
enjoyed
no?
this episode. Once again,
Ibang-iba sa mga
we are
Bini,
See
ano,
you
content.
differently with Baba.
Sobrang seryoso nito. Which is I love.
Ang galing mo na, bebe! See you differently with Bao Bao.
What?
See you differently with Bao Bao.
Inulit. Yes, Colette. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!